Hello everyone, you are watching Career and Fun channel. Today we will discuss about problems on number series. For solving these problems, we don't need to remember anything. Just we have to see the question and we have to find out in which sequence it is there. Okay, let's go to problems. First question. The next term of the sequence 0, 3, 8, 15, 24, 35 and dash dash means here they gave some sequence. They in this question they are asking that after 35 which number will come. Okay, first of all, while seeing question we have to see in which format it is. Okay, see this, in between 0 and 3 there is a difference of 3. If you add 3 to 0 you will get 3. If you add 5 to 3 you will get 8. If you add 7 to 8 you will get 15. Like that they are adding in the sequence of odd numbers 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So after 11 we will get 13. So I am adding 13 to the 35. So I will get 48. See, not only this method we can follow another also. I am giving another method. See this, here 0 means I can write it as 1 square minus 1. For 3, I can write it as 2 square minus 1. For 8, 3 square minus 1. If you go on like this, for 35, you can write 6 square minus 1. Next number will be 7 square minus 1. 7 square minus 1 is 48. So, answer is 48. Next question. What will be the value in question mark? Here they give the sequences 2, 10, 42, 170, and next one is we have to find out, and next one number is 2730, next 10922. Okay, here if you see this sequence, these are increasing with very high number. So if you see this, here the sequence is x into 4 plus 2 means whenever if you see next sequence is going with very high number means definitely there is a multiplication in that one. We have to understand like that. X is my previous number, whatever previous number. So what we have to do is previous number into 4 plus 2, then next number will come. For example, if you take 2 into 4 plus 2, 10 will come. 10 into 4 plus 2, 42 will come. 42 into 4 plus 2, 170 will come. Same like that, what you have to do, you know the previous value 170. You have to know this question mark number. So I am using this formula. So x is equal to 170. 170 into 4 plus 2 is equal to 682. Next question. What will be the value in question mark? In this previous question, they asked in the middle. Now they are asking at last. Okay. If you see this one, the difference is very less. 13, 17, 25. The difference between these sequence numbers is very less. So maybe it will be plus or negative will be there. Here this is in increasing order, so addition will be there. We will see. So if you see 13 and 17, difference is 4. 17 and 25, difference is 8. 25 and 37, difference is 12. So difference is like 4, 8, 12 and 16. So simply this is in the form of fourth table. But I am writing in the formula. Why I am writing in formula means, for suppose if in this question they are asking the next term. For suppose if they are asking the 100th term, what is the 100th term? Then this formula will be very useful. So better to write in formula. If they are asking nth number, then it will be easy. So x means previous value plus 4 into 1. If you substitute 1, 4 into 1, 4. 13 plus 4, 17. Next number you want means n is equal to 2. So 17 plus 4 into 2. 17 plus 4 into 2, 8. 17 plus 8, 25. Next 25 plus 4 into 3, 12. 25 plus 12, like that we have to go. So to find 17, 17 is the first number. So n is equal to 1. 25 is second number. 37, third one. 53, fourth one. 73, fifth one. So you have to find out sixth one. So I know I have to calculate nth number is equal to sixth one. So previous number is 73. So 73 plus 4 into 6, 24. 73 plus 24 is equal to 97. So the next term after 73 is 97. Next question. What will be the value in the question mark? Same whatever I shown previous question, same like that only. But in this previous question, the sequence is like increasing order. Now this is in decreasing order. So definitely here they are in decreasing order. So they are subtracting with previous number. We will see how they are subtracting. So in the previous question, they are adding with multiples of 4. If you see here, 311 minus 300, 11 will come. 300 minus 278, 22 will come. If you go on like that, it is like 11th table. So I am writing in the formula format x minus, so means previous number minus 11 into nth value. For example, if you want first number, x previous number minus 11 into first one. So they are asking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So same formula, x minus 11 into 6. Here x is previous number, 146. 146 minus 11 into 6. It will come 80. So 80 is the next term. Next question. What will be the value in question mark? Same like that previous only. But here if you see increment from 3 to 123, it is very high. After that, that increment is very less. Okay, we will see. If you see here from 3 to 123, the increment is 120. 123 to 183, increment is 60. 183 to 213, increment is 30. So the numbers are increasing only, but the increment number is reducing to half of that one. So I am writing in the formula format x plus 120 into that numbers are decreasing in order, whatever addition we are doing. So n is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, like that. So we have to find out which term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth one. Here also sixth one we have to find out. So what is the n value for sixth one? N is equal to 1 by 32 will come, sixth one. So I am substituting n value and x value in this equation. So you will get 235.5 plus 120 by 32, 3.75 is equal to 239.25. So 239.25 is the next term, whatever they asked. Next question. Find out wrong term in the series. Series given is 13, 20, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37. So if you observe carefully, in that all are prime numbers except 20. So see once again, 13, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37. So all are prime. Left whatever remaining number is 20. It is not a prime number. So what is the in that question they are asking that what is the odd one, means what is differently looking in that number. So 20 is the answer. Okay, 20 is wrong term. Next question. What will be the value in question mark? Here all are in big numbers. We will see. Sequence is 968, 39, 758, 709, 675. Okay. We will see the difference. It is in decreasing order, so they are every step they are decreasing. We will see how much. So from first number to second number they are subtracting with 121, next 81, next 49, next number we don't know, we have to find out that one. Okay, if you see 121, 81 and 49, they are in the sequence of 11 square, 9 square, 7 square. So 11 square means 121, 9 square 81, 7 square 49. So that sequence is like 11, 9, 7. Next will be 5 will come. Next 3 will come. So from 709 I have to subtract 5 square. So 5 square means 25. If you subtract 709 minus 25, you will get 684. For rechecking, if you subtract 684 minus 9, you should get 675. So 675 is coming. So whatever I am getting the answer in question mark place, that is correct. So answer is 684. Okay. Next question. The wrong number in the sequence. Here they gave some sequence. We have to find out the wrong number. Already one question came like this only, that all are prime numbers except one number. So here we will see how it is. 8, 13, 21, 32, 47, 63, 83. So if you see, all are adding plus 5, plus 8, plus 11, but after that plus 15, plus 16, plus 20, like that it is there. If you see, first two terms they are adding plus 5, next plus 8, next plus 11. If you see the difference between 5 and 8, 3, 8 and 11, 3. So next you have to add 14, but they are adding 15. So this is the wrong one. 47 is wrong one. So if you follow the sequence, plus 5, plus 8, plus 11, after that plus 14 will come. After that plus 17 will come. After that plus 20 will come. So if you add whatever sequence I wrote, plus 5, plus 8, plus 11, like that, you will get correct sequence as 8, 13, 21, 32, 46, 63 and 83. If you compare whatever original sequence I wrote here and whatever question they gave here, you will get odd number as 47 is the odd number. Okay. So in the place of 47, 46 should come. So in that options, if they gave options means 47 you have to select. Okay, 47 is wrong number. Next question. What will be the value in question mark? Here also they are asking question mark value. We already discussed it so many, but different sequences are coming. So I want to discuss one more question. So if you see here, for first two numbers the difference is 1. So they are adding plus 1. Next plus 8, plus 27, plus 64, plus 125, plus 216. This is the sequence they are following. If you see these numbers, these are also very big numbers. Means increment order is very high. So if you see properly, these are in the form of 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. Okay, so 5 cube, actually I wrote here answer also. Actually here 6 cube means 216 will come. So I am adding 226 plus 216 is equal to 442. So 442 is the next value. Okay. For more interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe.